everyone. My name is Ariav Thomas and welcome to Python Tutorials. Today we are going to learn the basics of Python turtle programming. First, let's know what Python turtle programming is. Python turtle allows you to use Python to make drawings and games. First, we will learn how to import the module onto the trinket draft. First, type from and import. This will allow you to use the turtle module in your draft. Next, we will learn how to move your turtle forward. Type forward and in brackets put a certain number. This will be how much steps it will go for. Right now I'm doing 100, but you can do any number from 1 to 200 if you want the line to be visible. Now let us test this. As you can see, from the center the turtle has moved right for 100 steps. Now we will learn how to turn your turtle. So here you can choose whether to turn right or left. For right you just have to type right, and for left you just have to type left. And in brackets put an angle. I am choosing 90 degrees. Let's test this out. As you can see here, the cursor is now pointing down. Now we will learn a crucial part: pen up and pen down. Pen up is very important as it will allow you to move your turtle cursor without making any line. So you won't see that there will be any change if you put only pen up. So let's put forward and then 100. As you can see, when it finished its first line, it had a line, and when it started going down, there was no line following it. Now we will learn pen down. Pen down is basically pen down with no space in between. It has to have a bracket with it. Then you do forward 100, and now you will see the changes. As you can see, the line has again started coming for 100 steps. Now enough with the basics, let's do something advanced. Here I am going to teach you how to make a square. You could do this forward 100 and right 90, but you will have to repeat it 4 times, and that will be way too long. So let's do something way more smaller. I'm going to use a for loop which will allow the code to repeat itself 4 times. For step in range and in brackets 4. Over here you can see that there is an indent. To remove an indent, you press backspace, but right now we need it. So let's keep the indent. And now that we look forward 100 and right 90, you will see that a square will be made. Cool, right? You can create many shapes with this. Like in order to create a triangle, you put 3 instead of 4. Then you put different steps, and you put a different angle, and therefore you can make a triangle. Same thing with a rectangle or any other shape. There is no limit to Python. But this is all that I have to say. Bye guys, and I'll see you in the next episode.